My name is Judi, and I have known Calvin for years and years, and that's why I contacted him when we needed a heating system. Filters, when you do come out and check me out once in a while and see how everything is working, I call for that. Oh, it's always been great, and all the people that come out to do a check on it and whatever, and tell me that it's still doing good after all this time. Good business to be connected with, and I do recommend it to anybody that is speaking about needing something like this done, air or heating, and it works great.